Hello kids, hope you all best. First we know about color name: purple color, brown color, sky color, black color, pink color, orange color, red color, parrot color, yellow color, green color. Now let's start our lesson. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin, sheen, sad, zad, ta, za, ain, ghain, fa, kaf, kaf, lam, mim, noon, वाव, हा, हमजा, या, या. Now let's start our repeat lesson. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin, sad, zad, ta, za, ain, wain, fa, qaf, kaf, lam, mim, noon, waw, ha, hamza, ya, ya.